Hello, my name is Amit Aitan. I'm working for WePlus, a software company, software provider from northern Italy. We are based in Torino and we are part of the programs project. I will present to you today the maintenance service platform, the MSP, and the work that we have done during this project. So a little bit of background and objectives of the development of this tool. We wanted to provide support to maintenance operations and to continuously keep informed the maintenance and production personnel about maintenance related activities. We wanted to provide proper notification to the interested personnel about the status of production equipment and planned activities, both for production and maintenance, allowing hence the personnel on the factory level to make informed decisions and to best act when a problem arises. We wanted to facilitate the communication with and between the factory workers through the use of the well-known social network paradigm, where the users can freely connect, communicate, and share information in a personal and user-friendly way. We wanted to allow operators using the MSP to follow and participate in the factory maintenance management, to learn how to better perform equipment maintenance, and to identify promptly emerging problems. We wanted to allow sharing of information, sharing of knowledge gathered from operators' maintenance experience, and to support the rest of the factory personnel in future times. We wanted to allow personnel to suggest improvements on current practices, increasing hence companies' efficiency and productivity. Our target companies are those companies which maintenance activities and related costs are a large part of their annual costs. The MSP is provided as a web application that can be accessed from every hardware device like PC, portable devices, etc., which support web browser, and of course by providing personal credentials to access the tool. What are the advantages that we foresee by implementing the MSP? First one is assisting manufacturing companies in improving their processes performance through better use of resources, improved maintenance plans, and sharing of information. Higher efficiency of a company means one thing: better competitiveness and market position, both for the company and its direct clients. The modularity and capability of the MSP tool to implement different communication protocols allows it to easily interact with other tools and share information like machine conditions and related info, or expected production maintenance operations. It will allow to close the gap between operating and maintenance personnel and management and engineering staff. So we're talking closing the gap between top-bottom and bottom-up and transversal communication. Last but not least, the tool was designed also to have a better user-friendliness and to easily be installed and maintained both locally and remotely. So what does the MSP do? We can divide the features of the MSP into big groups. The first one is the general purpose features that provide general support to the operations in both production and maintenance workshop environments. The second one, and more focused also on the objectives of the programs project, is maintenance focus features. These are dedicated features strictly to maintenance activity. They involve interaction with other software tools of the program platforms like the MSO, maintenance schedule optimization, the ECM, equipment control module, ASIA, advanced system environment analysis, BPT, behavior prediction tool, SST, smart schedule tool, quick rule, remaining useful life, and TESS, tree editing system. Let's start with the general purpose. So the first one, lessons learned, aka best practices, allows the company to capture the knowledge and preserving the experience in both of them in forms of lessons learned, and delivered in a standardized format, including text and photos, providing specific info related to the machine involved, production areas, etc. The second feature is related to suggestions for improvement. So we wanted to allow personnel from the factory and from the company to provide suggestions of how to improve current practices. This, of course, will improve the overall efficiency of the company, the production throughput, system reliability, and much more. No better than the persons who are actually working in the company for many years to provide suggestions of how to improve what the company is doing and how it is doing it. Post, so the well-known feature post that you have seen, I guess, in many places, we have integrated also here in MSP. It's a simple and intuitive way to share information between workers who are part of the same department or a specific theme group by simply posting text and photos to the rest of the group department and to provide feedback on various aspects related to the working environment. Requests for assistance. So here we wanted to provide the personnel the ability to request assistance. Many times during our working days, working hours, we encounter problems and we don't know who to assist, who to address. So through this module, a worker is able to request for assistance. This request can be categorized as an information level, medium urgency level, or as urgent, and is being addressed to whoever is connected to the MSP. For some issues, like as we define them, critical situation, which means imminent and direct safety risk for humans or equipment machine, we have implemented an SOS button. This SOS button opens a small window where the only information that the person needs to provide is where the person is found. So basically telling everyone, I'm here, I need an important assistance now, it's critical, please arrive. Job rotation feature. The job rotation feature, as its name suggests, allows the manager, line manager, production manager, unit manager to reallocate personnel in its unit, line, or production area. When happens that a worker for some reason cannot attend its shift, or for some reason is feeling not well and needs to be sent to the medical team of the company, or sent out and needs to be replaced. So this tool allows the management level to basically look for another solution, look for another personnel, another person that can provide the same capabilities. In order to do this, we have also implemented a skill search module or feature. This simple but very important feature allows through a very intuitive and quick filtering module to look for the person with the right skills. So the skills, as we are providing it now, are divided into 3 categories. One is professional expertise, the second is tools and technologies, and the third is personnel and social skills. We have implemented them like this. They are very general. Of course, these skills categories can be changed and implemented according to the needs of the company. Using this filter, the manager who's looking for the specific person with specific skills can get a list of the persons who are suited to the job, and use it and use that person for the job rotation that we have seen before. Now let's move to the features related to maintenance, as we define the maintenance focus feature. So the first one is a request for maintenance. So as a difference from the request for assistance that we have seen before, the request for maintenance is strictly for maintenance activities. Here an operator, a line manager, a production manager, whoever can request a specific assistance for maintenance activity related to a specific machine, tool, production equipment, and whatever. The request is then going through a well-defined workflow, which is including authorization, confirmation, rescheduling if needed. This is done, by the way, by the SST tool, which is a smart schedule tool, and which basically takes into consideration all the production and maintenance activities and schedule them according to certain algorithms and key features. And last but not least, the execution, okay, of the maintenance. Execution terminated. The tool MSP allows also to provide a very detailed maintenance report. So through this maintenance report, the maintenance operator is able to provide all the details of the maintenance, including important information that then can be shared also with other modules and other tools within the company and within the program platform. For instance, the ECM or the MSO, the LDA, and the FMECA tools. This information then helps to update the new conditions of the machines for future analysis. Some of the information can be also shared with the machines themselves. Like for instance, in this project, we shared information with the FIDIAS CNC machines, which allows them to extract the insight that they needed in order to perform better. Another feature would be the real-time machine monitoring. So through this module or feature, the operator is able to monitor different machines in the company, check specific parameters that are more interesting. Color coding helps also the operator to identify very quickly when a machine is starting to operate closer to the upper or lower threshold values, meaning that it might go towards an abnormal operation conditions. Through different buttons, the operator is also able to remotely control the machine, like put it in standby, shut it down, or trigger a specific alarm that will safeguard the machine's operational conditions. The operator is also able to access specific maintenance requests or reports, okay, related to the machines that it's monitoring and viewing. Other modules are related to diagnostic aspects. So the MSP is able to monitor alarms, okay, generated by the machines, providing some basic information about the type of the alarm, related severity, and allowing the users to act accordingly. Through a different module, also with the collaboration with the ASIA tool, the operator can receive information collected and elaborated, okay, by the ASIA tool. These are historical data that is being collected and recorded and then been and analyzed, and can provide important insights about the functionalities and conditions of the machines themselves. Prognostic aspects are also being provided through the collaboration with the BPT tool, Behavior Prediction Tool, which provides as called rule data remaining useful life. It is important information related to possible future events. So the user is able to choose a specific machine and review specific info yielded from the prognostic system, analysis system. This info can be, for instance, effect to health status. What is the overall effect to the health status of the machine? The role of a specific component, if it's a main or supporting role, means how much critical is it for the whole system, etc. So some few words about the architecture that has been used. So on the left side, you can see the overall program's architecture, where MSP was developed under the Work Package 5 and is one of the user interfaces points with the operators in line. On the right side, you can see the architecture of the MSP itself, kept as simple as possible through three main layers: the presentation layers, the service layer, and the persistent layer. On behalf of WePlus and partners of programs, thank you for listening and attending today. And we can pass to the Q&A. Thank you.